Meta-prompting is using AI to help you write better prompts. It's prompts about prompts, and it's surprisingly powerful. Instead of jumping straight to asking for the thing you want, you ask the AI to help you design the request itself. Look at this example. Rather than directly asking for a product description, this prompt says, "I want to use AI to help me write product descriptions. What questions should I ask to get the best results? What information should I provide?" See the difference? You're not requesting the output yet. You're asking the AI to help you build a stronger prompt first. That shift from requesting to designing is the whole idea behind meta-prompting, and it unlocks better results across almost any task. There are 3 patterns to know. The first is prompt improvement. You paste your current prompt and ask, "How can I improve it to get better results? What's missing? What might cause problems?" The AI critiques your draft and tightens it. The second pattern is prompt generation. You describe a task and say, "Write an effective prompt I could use for this, including role, context, format, and constraints." The AI builds the prompt for you from scratch. The third is question discovery. You tell the AI what you're trying to make, like a blog post, and ask what questions you should answer to give it enough context. Each pattern uses AI to fill the gaps you can't see yourself. Meta-prompting really shines when you need the same kind of prompt over and over. Instead of rewriting it each time, ask the AI to build a reusable template. In this example, the prompt says, "I frequently need to write prompts for customer support responses. Create a reusable template that includes placeholders for variable information, a consistent structure I can copy and paste, and built-in quality markers." It even specifies the cases the template must handle: refunds, complaints, feature requests, and general inquiries. The AI returns a fill-in-the-blank template you can reuse forever. This turns a one-time prompt into a repeatable tool, which saves time and keeps your results consistent across a whole category of tasks. Here's a technique that compounds quickly: the self-improvement loop. You start by giving the AI your prompt. Then you ask, "What are its weaknesses?" Once it answers, you say, "Rewrite it to address those weaknesses." Then you push further. "What are the new version's weaknesses?" And finally, one more rewrite addressing those. Each cycle catches problems you'd miss on your own, and the AI critiques its own output as it goes. By the end, you've gone through several rounds of focused revision in just a few messages. It's an AI-assisted iteration cycle, and it's one of the fastest ways to take a rough prompt and sharpen it into something genuinely good. You can also tell the AI to think like a prompt engineer directly. In this example, the prompt opens with, "You are an expert prompt engineer." Then it gives a task, generating creative writing prompts for fiction authors, and asks the AI to design the optimal approach. It walks through real design questions. What role should the AI assume? What context is essential? How should outputs be structured? What constraints prevent poor results? And how should variety be maintained? Finally, it asks for a recommended prompt template. By assigning the expert role and asking these structured design questions, you get a thoughtful, engineered prompt instead of a quick guess. It's meta-prompting plus role-playing, working together. So that's meta-prompting, using AI to make you a better prompt engineer. You learned the 3 patterns: improvement, generation, and question discovery, how to build reusable templates, the self-improvement loop, and how to ask AI to think like an expert. Now, try it yourself. Write a meta prompt that asks AI to help you create a prompt for code review. Ask what information to include, what aspects to review, and request a reusable template. You can do this right now on the lesson page at FreeAcademy.ai using the interactive prompt playground, or just paste your meta prompt into ChatGPT or Claude and see what it gives you back. Experiment, iterate, and watch your prompts get sharper.